Hi, boys and girls. We are going to play a long A game using the long A patterns that we practiced in our last video. So, as you can see, I have a selection of words here. Who would like to read the directions for me? Thank you. So, our directions say read each word. Use the paintbrush tool to paint the letters in the words that spell the long A sound. So I have my tools down at the bottom and they want me to use my paintbrush. So using my paintbrush, I will select the letters that are making the long A sound in each word. Let's begin. A-I. This is our word brain. I automatically see my AI. And knowing that AI says the long A, I know how to segment that word. Brain. Let's move to the next word. Ape. Grape. I see an A and I see a silent E very close by, so I'm going to paint both. Remember, with your long A and silent E, the E is part of what helps it say its name. Let's go to our next word. A, t, a, maintain. Maintain. What's the first pattern that you see? It pops out right at you. You're right, AI, making that long A sound. Next one, we have ache, steak. And I see my EA pattern. My next one is afraid. AI. Lots of AIs today. Let's go to our next one. Parade. Now, which one is saying the long A sound? The first one or the second one? I'm going to go with the second one. Parade. And look, it has my silent E very close by. Let's go to the next one. Obey. So this one, we have our EY pattern. And they both have to go together to say that A sound. And our last one, drain. Drain. Again, I see my AI. So let's take a second and go over our work to be sure that we got all of the answers correct. Remember, these are the patterns we're using. A, AI, AY, A with a silent E close by, EA, and EIGH. Looking at your words, did we highlight all of the correct patterns? Let's check and see.
Excellent work.
We did it. Let's move on to the next page. All right, so let's look at our list again. A, AI, and AY, A with a silent E close by, EA, and EIGH. What are some of the patterns you see in the words so far? Let's take a break and take a look while we try to figure out what patterns we see. All right, everyone. I hope you had time to look over the words and try to pick out some of our patterns. Let's pick up our paintbrush and get ready. Our first word is survey. What pattern do you see? That's right, EY. Our next word is neighbor. That was one of the words we practiced from our video last time. So I'm going to highlight my EIGH. Next one, a compound word, daybreak. Daybreak. I actually see two patterns. I see AY and I see EA. Next one is, that silent E is kind of far, so this is probably one of my closed syllables. Apple, maple. All right, let's go to our next word. Freight, freight, like a freight train. I'm going to highlight, you guessed it, EIGH. Next one is maybe. What pattern do you see? That's right, AY. All right, so we also have able. That E is kind of far, so I think it's just the A by itself. And the last one, slate, slate. This one has an A with a silent E close by. Okay, fourth grade. Again, let's take a look at our list and make sure that we found all of the correct patterns. Let's hit check.
Good job.
All right, fourth grade, you did it. We were able to get through all of our pages with 54 correct answers. We did it. We're amazing. I'm amazing. You're amazing. Everyone's amazing. And we were able to really conquer and master our long A patterns. See if you can come up with any other words with the long A patterns to get ready for that spelling test. Bye, fourth grade.